Here's my French Comtoise or French Morbier clock. It has this little kid swinging, teeter-tottering as their dad watches. They're called French Morbier clocks because they were made in the town of Morbier. They typically come in a grandfather clock case, and that's how they were originally made, but a lot of them don't, such as this one. They originally had a folding pendulum, and then later they came out with the more elaborate pendulums like this. And then a couple minutes past the hour, it chimes again. I think it was designed that way to, in case you missed the first chimes. So I will put a link to the history of the French Comtoise clocks in the description of this video. I hope y'all like it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.